Hello everyone, welcome to the channel FX Marina. Today's video I'm going to show you how to set up a future spot in Binance account, and the trading strategy is DCA, dollar cost average. So we are going to deploy a bot, dollar cost average bot, in futures trading in Binance. Okay, so you can see my 3COMMAS account here. I have already logged in, and you can see this is my real account has been activated, and I have paper trading account here. And now I'm going to show you how to do this one with my real account. Right, to start with the process, what you have to do is you have to click DCA bot, a new bot. Click on the plus icon, then you'll be directed to a new page like this. Then what you have to do is you have to select the exchange. So mine is Binance futures USDT, and all right, so this is the one I'm going to use today. And the name I can change whatever I want. I just leave it like this. I can change if I want this one. There's no problem with that one. And I have disabled my balance here. I have only $137 in futures account, so I'm going to set for that amount. And the coin I'm looking is ADA USDT. Right, this is the one. And I'm going, strategy is long. This one remain USDT. And the base order size I'm going to put $100 because I'm going to use a leverage here, so I can trade more than I have. Now I have only $137, but if I'm going to use a leverage, I can do more trading than what I have. That is the purpose why we are using futures trading. So leverage type is, I prefer cross. So once cross selected, you can select the leverage amount you want. I prefer around 10x. Right, can I just see 10x? Right, I leave it 10x, and the leverage type cross, and the start order type I would like to keep market order. And here everything else is set okay, and the bot type single pair. Right, and deal start condition I'm putting here as open new trade as soon as possible, right? Because this is DCA bot, dollar cost averaging, it will keep buying safety orders, so I don't need to wait for some time to start this order. But if you wish, you can do you select trading view and wait for the buy signal, and one more time trading view, wait for 5 minutes buy signal. And if you wish to be more accurate, you can add more, so 15-minute buy signal. So these candles, it is scanning the candles in the trading view, and when the buy signal comes, it will trigger. So if you like, you can keep that one also, but for my preference, I just keep open new trade as soon as possible. So I will close these things. I put open new trade as soon as possible. Right, so everything else remain unchanged. Base order size $100 I keep, and target profit I would like to keep 1%, and percentage from total volume I will leave like this. And stop loss I don't put because I am buying ADA, and I still believe this price is good to buy, so I'm not putting any stop losses there. And safety orders I will put $100 as well. Right, now price deviation to open safety orders, that means how many percentage drop, then safety order comes into action. So I put 2%. That means the first deal start condition is my open new trade as soon as possible. So as soon as I start this bot, it will trigger a buy order. Example, if this price is 0.8 USDT per ADA, it will buy at 80, and if price still decline after 2% drop, as I mentioned here, as 2% drop, it will trigger another buy order, right? So maximum active safely trade count, so I just leave it 2 means the Binance order book, this will be there, and max safety trade count is 5, that means it will buy 5 times, right? So that means $100 base order and 5 safety orders, means total 6, 500 plus $100, $600. But this is, don't forget, this is 10x leverage, so it will cost me only $60 for this bot, right? And don't mix these two up, right? Max safety trade count is 5 and max active safety trades count means that how many trades you want to keep active as a limit order, as a pending order in Binance is this one. If you like, you can keep this one as 5 as well, but it is useless. It is keeping more open orders in your order book. That is not required, right? And safety order volume scale, I keep it 1. If you wish to put this one bigger number, you can keep like this as well, because it is always better to buy higher number of volume when the price goes down of this particular coin. But for me, I just keep 1. Safety order step scale also 1%, right? Step scale means now first step is 2% down. The next one, if you keep here 1 means again 2% down, but if you keep here 2 means it will multiply by 2 all the time when the safety order is coming into use, right? I just keep 1. And there are some advanced settings. If one like, you can do this one, right? I will put this one maximum price to open deal. Like now ADA price of Cardano is around 0.8. I just keep 0.95 as the maximum price, because when it comes to 0.9596, I believe that it will further can go down because there's a high resistance level. So I put 0.95. When you put like this bot will not buy when the price goes above this price, right? Minimum, no problem, minimum price, no need to put this one. And cool down between deals, just 10 seconds. So that means when the bot completes one order, right, before start the second fresh order, it will wait 10 seconds, right? Open deals and stop, that means how many deals this bot need to do before it comes to complete stop, right? So if I don't put anything here, the bot will be unlimited. It keeps on buying and selling, right? So if I put 10 here, means this bot will do only 10 times buying and selling, right? Okay. This is all about putting this one. But you know, as you do futures trading, you need to be very careful, because this is not like spot trading, right? Spot tradings, you will not lose anything, because once you buy the coins will be remain with you. That is not, you are not going to lose anything. The coins will be with you, right? But in futures, what is happening here, because since I have put my leverage here, that means I am buying ADA not from my all money, because I am borrowing some money as well. That means there's a high possibility, if the price of this coin going down more, there's a chance for the liquidation. So you need to pay attention for this one also. So you need some calculation. So I found one interesting calculator in Google. Actually, I would like to share with you. So before you finalize this spot, you need to check with the calculation with this one, right? So this is the Binance Futures anti-liquidation bot calculator. This is very nice, this thing. I will show you how to do this one, right? And 3COMMAS bot setup. I have to put how much I have in my futures account. I just put 136, and base order, you can remember I put $100 here. You can see here base order $100, base order size $100, yes, $100, and the safety order also I put $100, right? Your entry price is around 0.8. Now the market price of ADA is around 0.8, right? The coin is ADA USDT, right? This is long, right? This is long. We are going to buy this one, right? So maximum safety trade counts, I put 5 there. You can remember that one. And leverage, I adjusted to 10. Price deviation to open safety orders, I put 2%. You can check, cross check this one. And safety order volume scale, I put 1. Safety order step scale also I put 1. Additional percentage price dropped after fill the last safety order, right? This is additional thing, right? I will explain what this is if you are buying until the last cent of your funds, after buying the last safety order, there's a high possibility that you will be liquidated, right? So because you are using the maximum funds you have. So in this case, I want additional safety margin. I can put anything I like, right? I just put like 7%, right? That will be good enough. So what is happening here now? Max amount for the bot usage is $61, and maximum deal volume is $600, because you see base order is 100 and safety order 100 times 5. So here $500 and here $600. Why I am getting around $60 here only? Because I am using the leverage. So even I have $61, I still can perform this bot because I am using the leverage 10 times, right? Maximum safety order price deviation here means, as I put here 2%, each time price dropping by 2%, and I am doing 5 safety orders. 2 times 5 is 10 times, right? So, and 5 times, so it says minimum wallet balance is $61, okay, but and 70% dump, you need additional 73.9. What this one says, that means that this bot is good enough until the price of ADA coin going 10% down, and additional I am keeping here 7% margin for the safety of my $137, because $136 in my account, right? So as per this one, max amount $61, wallet reserve 60, additional 7% dump, that is what I put here. I need $43. Wallet reserve here means that when the price keep going down and the safety order is executed, and you will be minus for some time until you recover this one, right? So I need $135 to perform this bot, and this bot is capable to withstand 17% drop of the price of the ADA. So that is the beauty of this one. So if the risk is, now if any case the ADA coin going to dump more than 70%, there's a high risk of liquidation. That time I need to transfer money to save my account, right? But 17% is good enough, because now the price of ADA is 8%. If you have more money here, right, like I'll say 1360, that means you are well safe and you will not be liquidated for any reason, right? And I just keep 136, and we still go down and see what are these things, and you see how this one is executing. Base order, okay, $100, safety order $100. It keeps on buying as the price going down. 100, this is also 100, 100. Okay, 5 safety orders and 1 base order. Now you see the liquidation price. So when the first safety order executed, the liquidation price is 0.25. This is ADA coin price. But if going down again, it is buying, means he is spending more money to buy. Now the liquidation price come into 43. After the third safety order, 0.51 liquidation price. After the fourth safety order, liquidation price is 56. Now 59. That means if any case the ADA price of ADA coming down to 59.59, there's a chance for liquidation. So I have to put additional money to cover this one, but for the moment I am happy with this price, and I have only $60, but I'm going to perform this bot for the same as I am holding like $600, because I'm using the leverage here. So that is the beauty of this futures trading, and this is like a knife. You have to be very careful of this liquidation, and that is why I show you this one. Very nice calculator. I don't know whoever created this one. This is very nice. And so if you understood what happens there, and we are ready to create bot, I just create bot. Bot successfully saved. Start bot. Start. Bot is turned on. Okay. Right. Bot is now ready to start. Right. So once I click this one, new trade as soon as possible. Right. Created. Right. Bot is started. Now the bot is running. All the bot starting new deal and setting leverage cross success. Placing base order. Okay. It bought 125 ADA USDT because I spent $100 for this one. Actually, I'm using $10, but since it is 10 times leverage, it still can buy 125 ADA. Right, base order executed. All right, 100 USDT and take profit. Take profit is 0.81. And because I put only 1% to close the deal. So this is all about futures trading. This is how you can set the DCA bot in 3COMMAS using 3COMMAS in Binance exchange, and there are so many exchanges supported this 3COMMAS. The best I have ever found this automated trading system. You can try this one out, and right, if you have any question, please comment below. I'll try to answer as much as possible as the time allows me to. And thank you very much for watching this video, and see you in the next video. Thank you.